What the heck? I ran out of money. Okay, we need to make some more money. Now, that's great because you're in luck. I'm going to show you a method where you can make $2,000 per month from Facebook. If you've watched my videos before, you've seen that I expose some of the most underground methods to making money for free with no ads, no software, no website, no nothing. You don't need to spend any money to make money from this method. This $2,000 will be yours scot-free. You just need to do the work and follow the steps that I tell you in this video. Now, this method doesn't require you to have a product. This isn't e-commerce. This isn't drop shipping. It doesn't require you to have a business. It doesn't require you to do consulting or have support or to do, start a social media marketing agency and like service clients or do sales. All this method to make money requires you to do is literally follow everything step by step. You won't have to figure much out for yourself. Just follow along the steps, and I'm going to show you exactly how you can earn $2,000 per month from Facebook following these steps. Let's get it. I'm going to show you right here on my computer. Just follow along with me. I've made millions of dollars online, and I'm going to show you how we can both make some nice money together. Let's go into it. So, first thing we're going to do is get our affiliate links. I'm going to speed through this. If I am going too fast during this presentation, let me know. If I go too fast, if I go too slow, but I want to get to the juice, and you can slow down this video. I know a lot of people are play my videos on 2x speed. Let me know if you are a 2x speed person. Type in 2x if you watch all these make money videos on 2x speed. But this is a video that you might have to watch at 0.5 speed. You might have to slow this one down. Maybe. We'll see, right? So first off, I'm going to go through a number of affiliate networks that you can get affiliate links from. Now, I'm going to use my own affiliate program as an example because the more money you make, the more money I make, but I'll go into that in just a second. This method, the $2,000 per month, is based around using my program for this example. So let's get into this real quick. Now, if you're interested in seeing more free traffic methods, after you watch this video, make sure to check the cards or the links in the description of this video. Somewhere there's like a little icon in the corner here. Check it out. Look for more free traffic methods because I have a lot of these. And I list them out, how you can make money on Reddit, how you can make money on LinkedIn, how you can make money on Google, how you can make money on YouTube. I show all of these methods step by step so you can start making money on this channel. Make sure you subscribe and make sure you type in Facebook money if you are ready to get into this money. So all the links for all these affiliate networks are in the description. Join every single network because the more networks you join, between all 6 of these affiliate networks, you will get into at least one and you will get affiliate links so you can start making money online. But ClickBank, the last one, will be the one we'll be using. Let's go into it. So first off, you could join Share a Sale. There's a link for that in the description, and you can work with big brands like the MBA store, but notice you only make a measly 6% commissions, not very appealing. ClickFunnels is a great program. You can make really sweet recurring revenue. They will buy you a car once you get enough users for their program. Great program to get started with. Next, we have 6-figure mentors, high ticket. There's some high ticket commissions here. You can make $1,000 from 1 click, 1 lead, 1 sale, and you can make $1,000 recurring a month from 1 click, 1 lead, 1 sale, and they even provide training for their affiliate network. The best one besides ClickBank is I would suggest the Super Affiliate Network. Now, this is a company, there's high ticket commissions involved in this company. You can make up to $5,400 from 1 click, 1 lead, and 1 sale from this beautiful program. So you can make a lot of money. They have some really cool events they throw in Maui each year. I would suggest you go to them. Love to see you there. Okay, there's MaxWeb, which is similar to ClickBank. It's a fast-growing digital products network. There's Digistore, which is another fast-growing network. It's from Germany, digital products. And then there is my program, which is on ClickBank. So for this example, we'll be using ClickBank. You'll want to create an account, and then you'll want to go into the affiliate marketplace right here. Now, once you're in the affiliate marketplace, you can click the search button. You can search my name in the search bar, or you can go down here to where it says e-business and e-marketing right there, and we'll go into it. Now, you'll see if you scroll down, one of the top products on ClickBank is the Super Affiliate System. That is my training program where I teach people how to create an online business. And I've created many successful students. You'll see some of their testimonials in a second, but we'll want to click that promote button. And if you notice, you make about $500 a sale. So you get a nice amount of money and you get money over time. So really great program. And you just click that promote button. You enter in your account nickname and type in, Facebook Underground Method or whatever you want, and you will click this button, generate hop link, right there. Then we'll copy our link. Now, the next step you want to do is, now I always like to do this. I like to save my links in a little notepad like so. The next thing, I want to create a Google Docs link from this. So this is where it gets really cool, is you will get a resource guide to my program at the end of this training. This may be posted in the comments, but how you will access this resource guide is you will go to johncrestani.com/resource right there, okay? In case I forget to show it at the end of the training, johncrestani.com/resource, community, friends, gang. Remember, if somebody's like, where's the resource link? Post the resource link for them. I can't monitor comments. I get thousands a day. Can't monitor every comment every second of the day. So when you open the resource link, you will see links to other free traffic methods that I've posted about, ways to get your affiliate link out there and make some money. And what you're gonna do is you're gonna click on Facebook, because that's what we're talking about, is Facebook. And we'll click there and it will take you down to the Facebook section. So what you wanna do is you want to go to this link. Just click on it and it will take you to this page. Now this is essentially a pre-sale page, but it's a little sneaky because it's not your website. It's hosted by Google, but it looks like a web page. It functions like a web page. It got buttons and it got all the stuff, but you won't be able to edit this. So what we're gonna do is you will go up to File right there, and then you will go to Make a Copy right here. And I suggest, by the way, if you just watch my videos for entertainment, please unsubscribe. I'm looking for action takers here. I'm looking for people to do this. And if you're on your mobile phone, I suggest you get to a desktop computer because it's only gonna get more intensive from this point, okay? So let's go right here. Make a copy. You can rename it, you can delete the copy, and then you just click OK. Now you have your own web page which is editable, okay? You can edit this, you can change things around, and most importantly, you can change around your affiliate links, which are right here. There's one affiliate link right here and a second affiliate link right here. And what you want to do is you want to take this affiliate link, you want to copy it that we got previously, and we want to click on this button, and you'll want to click on this little edit icon. You'll want to replace the link. I just copied, see I just clicked paste right there and clicked apply. Same thing with this link, edit, copy, apply. Okay, now what this page is called a pre-sale page. It's built to sell people on purchasing the product. This is a long funnel. There's a long, intensive funnel, and you'll see this gets complex, but there's Jedi mind trick space throughout the whole thing. Now, what's really great about this is it's targeted towards Facebook. It's targeted to people who want to earn money from Facebook. These are all real testimonials. These are real students of mine that have gone through this program, and it's my 6-week course. If you want to be a student of my 6-week course, I teach paid advertising. So on my channel, I teach free advertising. On my paid course, I teach paid advertising, which requires, less work but more money. If you have more time than money, which I'm assuming you do if you're on this YouTube channel, you do these methods. If you have more money than time, then take my course and try out paid traffic methods. So it shows a bunch of students. These are all students of mine. I encourage my students to lay out their money on the table. And when somebody comes across this page, the effect I want it to have on them is that like an alien spaceship landed in their backyard and they're freaking out because something just crazy just happened in their life and they want to see what's up. So we just replaced your affiliate links there. Now the next step is we want to go up to this section right here, which says share, and you click this link and you click right here, which says share, get shareable link right there, and we'll click shareable link, and you can click this button, or you can just highlight this link and to copy the link. So now I'm going to open it back up my notepad, and I'm going to paste in my weird Google Docs link. Okay, you see how long and ugly that sucker is. And what you can do at this point is you can reference my targeting here. I may update this document from time to time, so keep in mind that Google sometimes changes their policies of what links they allow and don't allow. So if for whatever reason they stop allowing Google links, I put in some alternatives of where you can create these pages from, okay? You just copy my text. If they don't allow the Google Docs link, or if they don't allow a bit.ly link, or if they don't allow a whatever link that you're trying to post, use a different link, okay? Find a different way to put the link in. SlideShare, Google, Microsoft Word, whatever that is, but there's some alternatives here. Now what we want to do is we want to target groups that are around these particular keywords. So let's look up freelance in Facebook, and we see that there's a bunch of groups where we can reach people who are freelancers, 186,000 members. We have another group, freelancers, 70,000 members. We have another group, 100,000 members. So you can join all these groups. I suggest you join every single group around every one of these keywords and go in there. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna post in these groups. Now this is what I call the money post, because this is where the tires hit the pavement and we can actually start making some money. We're getting our affiliate links out there. We're getting them in front of people. Now here's what you can do, okay? Here's a good example of a group post example. So you can copy this text and you can post in a particular group. This is from, once again, this is from the document, the resource document that I'm going to give you once again at the end of this training. And you're going to go down here and you're going to type in, or you're going to copy this and paste it underneath one of these jobs, okay? So we'll just go here and we'll click comment and we'll say, thanks for the post, it's really helpful, I'm trying to learn more about, and then we'll click the subject here. So what we want to do is we want to delete everything included the bracket and just type in whatever this group is about, freelancing. So if you're in a group about entrepreneurship, type in entrepreneurship. If you're in a group about nursing, type in nursing. If you're in a group about marketing, type in marketing. And then we also want to replace this bracket right here. What you can also do is you can edit this link and you can shorten it with a link shortener such as bit.ly. Now sometimes Facebook doesn't allow bit.ly links, so I would just suggest you try doing it without actually a bit.ly link, but you can try this as well. So whatever works, just do that. They're all my links. I have my affiliate link, which Facebook will not allow, my Google Docs link, which Facebook will allow, and my short link, which looks better, but Facebook may not allow. And then we will click post. Now what's great about this is it already populates your Google Docs right here, okay? You see that? Now, when you're doing this file, what I would suggest you do is you actually delete this little text up here where it says copy of, and I would, I would leave it like that. Now, do this as many times as you possibly can. This is a very effective method. I just did a comment here. We could do this for every one of these posts right here. And for groups that allow you to actually post in the group, where it says, see, this one has create a job. Other groups will allow you to post in the group. So you could post in the group with a text from the group post example. And once again, you will replace this with the profession or the link. There you can add any group that is around any job whatsoever. If it's designers, if it's graphic designers, if it's YouTubers, if it's nurses, if it's construction workers, if it's about teachers, if it's about librarians. You can do this for any different niche. And you would just go to groups and you would just go to a group about librarians, because even librarians are some of the most underpaid people, but they're very smart. You can show them how they can make an extra side income by working online. I want to see some testimonials, boy. So let me see some testimonials when you put this method to work. Guys, in my future videos, This is gonna take time. When you get this working, when you make your first sale, I need you to make an agreement with me. When you get success, you will post about it. You will not take this lightly. I know most people that go out there and make money, most people who find their treasure chest, their pot of gold, their gold vein. Most people who go out there, they find that treasure and they don't tell a soul, okay? Most people just stay mum and they say, I just made some money. But I want this group to be different because I want to lead a revolution here. I want to lead a revolution of people working from home, earning their own incomes. That is my dream. So in my next videos, I want to see you post about. If you get success, post about it. Let others know that it is possible because there's money to go around for everyone. There are groups. There are 1,000, 10,000 different types of jobs, and there are 100,000 groups around these types of jobs. There is money for everybody to put this into action. There are thousands and tens of thousands, hundreds of thousands of posts going up every single day in Facebook that you can use this exact same method to comment on and make money. And all you need to do is get 4 sales per month, 1 sale per week. How fast do you think you can do that if you're getting in front of 14,000 librarians? 14,000 people. Now, my best students, the ones that will really have the most success, will take what I'm showing you and they will modify some of the ad copy. You will take some of these post examples and you will modify it a little bit more maybe to work out better for the group. You will take this and you might modify it a little bit more. Live training for nurses to earn a side income, okay? Or whatever. You will take this and you will modify it, you will personalize it, you will make it better. You will test it. You will use different tracking links to make things better. You'll have a lot of success because this is already proven to work. Guys, if you are committed, if you are all in, type in I'm all in the chat, in the comments. I want to see some likes. I want to see 1,000 likes on this post. I want to see you subscribe and hit the notification bell because I'm going to come out with videos like this every single week showing you the hot money-making methods. And if your mind's blown, just let me know. Say mind blown. This is hot. You can put this into action. But again, nothing works unless you do. You will not make money of this. If you are typing in the comments, you're like, does this really work? Then you're not going to make any money. You're a broke. And if you're in the comments saying, oh, this work, you're broke and you're making no money. And the people who are making money are the ones that are going to put this into action. So put this into action. I know what I'm doing. I've been doing this for 10 years. I look forward to making you a lot of money and me a lot of money too. Deal? Because we're splitting this 50-50. We're in business together. So looking forward to talking to you soon. Put this into action. And once again, the link to this is johncrestani.com/resource. Make sure to check it out. johncrestani.com/resource is how you can get all the templates that you can copy. You will be able to use those. The link is also in the description. So make sure to go to this site, check it out, and use every single method. Use this method, but use every single other method. And if you want to learn a little bit more about just the basics of affiliate marketing and tracking, I'm going to have my assistant put a link to the playlist of the Affiliate Marketing 101 Basics here, so you can do a little more research if you're just skeptical and you want to understand how this industry works. Talk soon. Have a good day. Put this in action. Let's make some money together.